the complete details regarding our school. BPS Shikshan Sansthan, affiliation number 1730605. It is a huge building, huge infrastructure situated at the heart of Ringas, a small town 60 kilometers away from Jaipur, the capital city of Rajasthan. You can view the parking area, the assembly ground and the outdoor. इधर कर लीजिए. You can see the assembly ground. It is a huge assembly ground in the campus, and apart from this, the parking area is on the right hand side. Nearby we have the sports ground. For volleyball court is there and kho ground is also there. So here generally we conduct our assembly in front of the school building. Now one can view the beautiful school building from the campus, from this ground. इधर आइए, ये वहाँ से दिखाइए, पूरा घुमा देना ना ये बिल्डिंग. This side you can see we are constructing. All the stuff inside periodic table. This is the biology lab, well-equipped lab it is. This one is the physics lab for our students. This is the computer lab. To update our students' technology, we have well updated our computer lab. It's not a very big city, still then we try to keep the internet connection so that the students can properly utilize the computer lab. This is our well-equipped library. Can update themselves and with the internet facility, we have books over here. And reading room is attached to the library. Reading room is there. We try to facilitate our students with this reading room so that they can properly see and utilize the books. We have the composite lab for the students, and we have kept many of the scientific materials so that the students can come and properly utilize and learn. It will be evidence for them. This is the girls' toilet, and we have kept the girls' toilet and boys' toilet separated. These are not attached. These two are far from each other. You can see inside the temperatures. Facility over here. This is the cylinders are for fire safety. For the staff to feel ease, to feel comfortable. This is class 3rd, primary class. This is class 2nd, pre-primary class. This is class 1, this is also a pre-primary class. Primary class. safety cylinders are there. On each and every floor we have. This is the sick room, wellness room, for the students, those who feel ill in the school, those who feel uncomfortable, we generally give them rest. So here we have all medicines, generally for fever, cold, we have medicines, and the consultation with the wellness teacher to prescribe these medicines to the students. This is the nursery class. The first stage, the first class for a child. This is the kindergarten class, KG. Just after nursery, we promote the students to KG class. This is class 9. In good class, where near about 30 to 35 students can easily accommodate. To the smart room. This is class 10, a room for our board students. This is class 5. The topper class, the topmost class in primary way. It is also well equipped with the smart room, smart class. This is class 6. It's also well equipped with the smart class. This is smart class. This is class 7, middle wing, second class of middle wing. This is class 8, the upper class of middle wing. Left to refresh our students, to rejuvenate them. Generally, we bring the students, we have in our timetable music and dance classes. In the other different musical instruments, and some of the blocks are there for music and dance. This is our storeroom to keep This is the examination room. Presently we have vacated this room because after lockdown period we arranged many of the things. Otherwise generally this room is used for the examination purpose. This is the indoor sports room. We have facility of TT, chess and carom, all these games over here. Whenever it is quite impossible for the students to go out and play the outdoor games, we bring the students here in indoor lab. Sir, this is the 11th bio class. For the upgradation purpose, 11th bio, we have started over here. This room is for 11th. For 12th bio. For the purpose of 12th maths. I have shown you all the complete buildings, the rooms for upgradation, computer lab, physics, chemistry, bio lab, sick room and indoor lab, library, all the labs, everything, all the classes for upgradation, beginning from pre-primary till senior secondary, all classes I have shown you. Let me summarize you the school building from this viewpoint. The school building, this is the ground floor, first floor and second floor. DPS Shikshan Sansthan, Ringas, Sikar. Affiliation number 1730605. In front you can see the Adam block where principal's office is there, director's office is there, account section is there and record office is also there. Right hand side you can see the staff room is there, and apart from this the smaller classes like nursery, KG, first, second we have given in the ground floor because of the age factor of the students. They are very young in age, so we have given them the ground floor. In this right hand corner you can see the boys toilet and water facility is also given nearby. In this left hand side sick room is there and one class, senior class, class 9th has been given. On the very first floor we have given classes first, second, third, fourth, and apart from that you can see library and composite lab is also there. And on the very second floor one can see the indoor lab and library is well equipped with the books. Apart from that reading room is also there. We have given on the second floor class 11 maths and bio, class 12 maths and bio. The different stairs are there from both the sides so that during lunch break there will not be a crowd of students. They get down very easily, very smoothly without facing any difficulty. Generally the students prefects, they take the position on all the stair sides, and teachers are very active and voluntarily they take the action during lunch break and departure and arrival time. And you can see the small gardens over here to beautify the school. Both the sides of the school we have small gardens. Generally on plantation days it is the interest of the students. Students remain very curious to plant the trees over here. And this garden is also developed by the effort of our teachers and students. As I showed you, our labs, one can go from this side also. We have the space for the labs. So the school is not bounded by one way. We have, this is the way for the labs students. Even so that rest of the students will not get disturbed and the senior students will not get disturbed when they do the practicals. So this way we have made it. The position, these 3 labs are there so that the science teachers and the lab assistants, very easy way they can maintain these labs, and the students, they come and do their practicals. They do not face any sort of problem. Well ventilated and spacious labs are there. Toilet this side and boys toilet in that corner, and both sides we have given the drinking facility. Cylinders for fire safety in each and every floor. Open veranda where the students, when the students they move to their classes, they feel very easy. In a comfortable way they can move to their classes, and both side stairs are there so that to avoid the crowd of the students in the beginning of the class, during the arrival or during the departure, we have different stairs in both the sides. This is our atom block. Office. This one is the director's office. This is the record room. Confidential documents generally we need to keep here. This is our record room. And this is the account section where generally our senior accountants they sit and do their work efficiently. So sir, thank you very much for listening, for watching the video, and in case any query, you may update us accordingly. And thanks a lot. On my level, I try to give you all the details, all the particulars. Thank you sir, thank you very much.